How to fix download failed on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can fix the download failed problem on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, let's say whenever you try to open up WhatsApp, you're trying to download a certain media which somebody has sent you, but then whenever you try to download it, it simply says download failed. Now the number one reason for that is could be because let's say that somebody sent you a media and then you're trying to download it and it's no longer available. It could mean that person could have already deleted that particular media from their device as well. So WhatsApp does not actually store on Drive or on your cloud, just like Messenger and Facebook. Once you send it, and if they delete it from your device, or if you don't download it on your device beforehand, it could say download failed. So that could be one of the reasons why. The other reason could be due to lack of storage on your phone. So simply go ahead and open settings, and then you want to go to, let's say, battery and device care, and then you could go to storage and then check if you have any type of storage left. If you're running low on storage and space on your phone, you will not be able to download medias. And then after that, what you could also do is, the last but not the least, I would also recommend you to simply restart your phone. Sometimes restarting the phone would most likely fix your issue, because it is going to refresh all of the applications which are in the background and then lagging behind as well. The other thing I would also recommend you do, just a bonus tip, is to simply open up Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. So go ahead and then tap on WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp, and if you see an update button right next to WhatsApp, I would recommend you to simply update the app to the latest version, and most likely that will fix the issue as well. Hopefully one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.